Hello guys, welcome to Rex Arthur TV. This is the Rex Arthur Show, the LGBTQ channel that discusses LGBTQ issues with an LGBTQ perspective and a humanistic approach. And today we are analyzing the rainbow as part of our Rex Arthur art collection. And we're going through this through the web colors. Web colors are colors used in displaying web pages, and the methods for describing colors. Now you can see in this web page there's blue. There are 24 bits used to specify a web color within the sRGB gamut, and 16,777,16,000 colors that may be so specified. So basically there are over 16 million colors. Can you imagine? Over 16 million colors. Just to show you that there are 16 million colors of the spectrum. Over 16 million colors of the spectrum. Of course, we know the rainbow has 7 or 6 colors. And the LGBTQ, it's okay. Why do we use the rainbow? It's basically to show diversity, that there are diverse colors. There are many colors. That's what the rainbow just means, diverse colors. And I saw a Nigerian LGBTQ movie company that calls itself the Sunbow. They believe, or they could be right, that it's not just a rainbow, it is a sunbow, meaning you can see the rainbow even without the rain. So basically it's the sun that causes that. When you divide the sunlight, it will give you all the colors of the spectrum. But I still prefer rainbow, because when it rains and the sun is up, you will see the rainbow very clearly. But when the sun is shining and there's no rain, even if the colors appear, it is not it's not that visible. But you'll find rainbows wherever there is water. And even if you play with soapy water and you play the suds, the bubbles have rainbows in them. And they are visible because of the light that hits the bubbles. So anyway, we just wanted to show you these colors. We're not going to go into deep science. You know, science is already clear. So you see, red, green and blue are the main colors in the science. And you know, red plus green gives you purple. You know, if I can remember. No, red, I think it's red and blue. And every color you add them and they give you a color. So there is blue and green, and there is blue and red and blue, and like that. Now, I want us to see the picture. That is what I'm really looking at. And here it is. So you see, this is the white color. Now, white color is made up of 100% red and green and blue. Now, silver is made up of 75% red, green and blue. Gray is 50% red, green and blue. Black is 0% red, 0% green, 0% blue. So if you have black color, you have no red or green or blue. So the opposite of black is white, because white is 100% red, green and blue. But that doesn't mean black is not a color. It is a color. It is a color that has no red, green or blue. Now, red is 100% red and no blue or green. And then maroon, 50% red. Yellow, 100% red. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. Red plus green gives you yellow. And what else is there? Red plus blue gives you fuchsia, which I think should be indigo. And orange, they haven't mentioned orange. Okay. Now this is another one I liked. I liked this one because before you come to red colors, you start with pink colors. And in pink colors, all the pink colors, they have red in the 200 docket. And then actually in all pink colors, the highest figure is red. You see this is a chart showing you red and green, blue. So the first column is red, the second column is green, and the third one is blue. So when you look at the red column, it's the highest. And so pink is a child of red. And it continues like this. These are different types of red. You can be a red salmon, light salmon, dark salmon, Indian red, crimson, fire brick, dark red, red, whereby there's no blue, there's no green. So these are different reds, and these are different oranges. So you can see in orange, red is still the dominant color. And then yellow, red shares dominance with green because all of the green points are now in 200 and a bit of blue. So yellow is a color that is born from red and green. And then look at the dark khaki. So when you wear a khaki thing, or you have a peach puff, or you wear a gold shirt, please remember you are wearing yellow and your parents are red and green. And then you have brown colors, and these are the different types of brown colors. I think I'm going to learn them properly so that when I see them, I know. Again, red is the dominant one. However, in some cases, is red defeated anywhere? No. So brown also belongs to red. Now, when you come to green colors, this is the basic, primary color. You have green is the dominant color. So there's no, red cannot beat green, neither can blue. So you can see all of these are different types of greens. Beautiful, nice shades of green. And then you have cyan colors. They are also led by green and blue. So green and blue gives cyan. Then you have aquamarine, light sea green, cadet blue, and blue. Then you get primary color. This is blue. Now, blue colors, the dominant color is blue. Red cannot be above blue, and neither can green when it comes to the blue colors. So the blue colors these are the types: sky blue, all of these, deep sky blue, steel blue, navy blue. So blue is the dominant color. Now when you come to purple, violet, and magenta, it is still blue that is the dominant color. There's only one part where red takes over, and that is at orchid. Yes, orchid, it is the only purple color that red takes over blue, because blue is at 214 but red is at 218, and then they share. So what it means is that red plus blue gives you violet. As I said in the beginning, I had forgotten. Red plus blue give you violet. So very nice color mixing. And then you have white colors. Now white, 100% red, 100% green and blue. And these are the different types of white. Ghost white, interesting. Now let's see ghost white. Who is the power? It's blue. So if you want to be ghosty, push up your blue. There is ivory and misty rose, the highest being red. And then gray, very interesting. It is, have you look at how gray is a very beautiful color. That from Gainsborough to dark gray, they are the same figures. Absolutely beautiful science here. Gainsborough to dim gray, sorry. Then from light slate gray, you have differences. And then we have black, one of the weirdest colors in the world, because there is no color, absolutely no color in black. No red, no green, no blue. Unbelievable. Good. So that is our study. Very short study about the scientific colors. Now, why am I doing this? To conclude, it is to show you that in the LGBTQ spectrum, we have, the diversity of colors. Of course, we had Spirit Day last week, and the color purple in the LGBT flag means spirit, freedom, and awareness and consciousness. And so in the LGBTQ lingo, the rainbow is not necessarily about that one color represents this sexuality. No, it's just to show diversity, because there are many different colors, and to show that there are different sexualities. That is science. Some people are lesbian, some people are gay, some people are bisexual, some people are transgender. That's what it just means, diversity. But what is beautiful is that if red was, let's say, representing transgenders, just look at how many types of transgenders would be there. These are the types of transgenders. So you can have a very active transgender, a very quiet one, a very loud one. These colors, this diversity. So what I'm trying to say, there is not just one red color. There are many red colors. We have just read over 16 million. 16,700,000, roughly above that, are 7 colors. There you are again. So that is beautiful. It's just awesome. And then, okay, now let's say orange represents lesbians, for example. And so you'll find there are many types of lesbians. That's what I'm trying to say. And let's say yellow represents gay. There are many types of gays like that. And let's say brown represents pansexuals. There are many types of browns. And let's say green represents, and let's say questioning is cyan. There are many types of cyan colors. And let's say queer are blue. There are many types of queer people. And let's say they are purple is bisexual. Many